Just check out of the hotel and we're going to Pattaya today. It will take around like 2 hours drive, especially when the traffic is crazy here, so see you there. Just arrived at the hotel. So far it looks nice, cool, beachfront. I was stressed on buying out since I do all the job. Even the Bangkok one, I booked it, and the flight ticket, all done me. Even if the visa was done by me. And I hope the room will be nice. I'll show you later how the room looks like. First, it's Friday, Jummah prayer, so I have to go to the prayer now. See you there. Done praying, it was quite fast Jummah here. And a lot of Muslim community here, and we'll go and try to eat in that halal restaurant. There's a lot of halal food in Thailand. I don't know what people say that there isn't much halal food here or not. Yes, we will be eating here. It looks like a home, but fancy design, made it into a restaurant. So I'll try out the food and see how it goes. Just got my food. It looks nice and I hope it tastes good too. So we're gonna find out. Yep, the chicken does taste good. Walking in the street now, this looks sketchy to me. Like this big billboard. I have no idea what they do here. I'm not reaching yet to find out. Still haven't checked into the hotel because it's still 2 and the check-in is 3 p.m. And currently I'm at the Pattaya beach. How the beach looks. The water is not bad. I've seen that here. And the sand area is a bit small. And I feel a bit uncomfortable walking here. In my 600 ringgit in the beach, I should just be walking with sandal. And there's this kind of folks selling food. It's kind of like a bit annoying when they keep on doing that. Randomly walking and saw this bowling L and I just rented. It was just 190. I'll give the ringgit price here. It's all retro design. Not too much people, and you'll see how I do in the end. Just finished playing. It wasn't amazing, but it was alright. I got 89. I guess not bad, but it was a random bowling out of nowhere. I was walking and saw it, and yeah, it was a fun. Quick room tour. Simple sliding and take it out. Pretty nice area. So the first thing is in the toilet. Nice bathtub, nice sink, big mirror. And locker, again a mirror, a small mirror, and an old TV I guess, so you can't do anything, no YouTube, no Netflix. 2 bed, nice lighting, and the control unit. The best part is the balcony. Relax, definitely not going to smoke, and nice beautiful view, and the pool, the sea. Here the Pattaya Bazaar. I don't know what this is, maybe souvenir or something. But just followed my mom. So far, I don't know, it looks sketchy than Bangkok. I saw a lot of massage and Indian restaurants, so yeah, let's check it out what's there. The market is pretty interesting. They usually sell knockoff stuff and you can just fight with the price and try to get a deal. Here, long deal. I think I got interested in this car, but it's too shiny. This looks nice, I guess. I think I'll end up in the ring shop again, even though I have one. It looks interesting. I don't know if you can customize or not. I'll check what there's more. It's crazy that they sell all the knockoff perfume. The one that I own, it looks a bit light color, but I have, and this one reality they sell for 1,200. But I'll never buy any fake perfume. I'll buy one from the airport. I'm interested in that earphone. I bought this from the market, but unfortunately the video got deleted, which is so they asked for 600, but I got for 400. It was pretty good. It looks nice though. This is the only thing I buy fake, but perfume never fake. All is real. Motivation sign. Stop taking, start drinking. Oh hell no, you don't know what you will end up doing then. This is my second day in Pattaya, so yeah, we will explore Pattaya and see what there is, and yeah, see you in the next location. So we came a place that has, like, you know, the world in small, iconic things like this, then the Paris Tower, then the Doraemon door. Okay, let's see. Do we go to a different universe or no? Then Godzilla, and this Chinese thingy. Oh, and Australia, and I like the car detail they put, and that Singapore thing, the London Bridge, the Egypt thing, and what's this in the in Paris, I think. Yeah, I'll show you on the way a lot. This is the airport that we came. It's pretty nice model, and I think this is the bridge in Thailand. So this entire thing summarize of Thailand what there is. So continue. It looks so realistic. So this is pretty nice. And I think this entire area is on about Thailand, and up there is all international, like iconic, like I said before. I thought this was fake train, you know, like showing it. Look how small is the track. And this thing apparently works. Oh wait, this train is actually moving. Oh, look how small is the track. And this, and you're saying this thing moves? This BYD car looks cool, especially the roof of it and touch sensor light. Came to this mall, interesting. Terminal 21, the mall, and especially look at the staircase. It looks like, you know, the airport when you go to the runway. So let's check what's in the mall. Like I'm entering the airport. Private jet waiting for me. And tree. Oh, wow, even the security thing. Each floor has its own team. So level 1 is London, Italy. Then up there is Tokyo, and down here is Paris. And the shop man. I want to buy some PlayStation now, but there isn't any, so I rented the jet ski for 500, the price will be here in ringgit, so I'm gonna have to do it for 15 minutes, so yeah, let's enjoy while I can do. Really fun driving that boat. I wish I can do more longer. I stepped in the water, I screamed. It was like too cold because I was riding the jet ski before, and now it's a bit peaceful. Yeah, jet ski they asked for 1,200. I just showed that I have 500 and I just left that. So yeah, I'll swim in our hotel pool, and yeah, the end for today. Something funny is that I just step in my pool for the past 2 years, but if I go on a hotel, I will just come to the pool. And nice day to end with the sun rising down, and I think there's this parkour, small parkour thing in the room. I'm not sure it's for kids or me, but yeah, it's still fun. Let me try to do it. Oh, already fell. Let me just crawl. Nah. Okay. Oh. Came to this market. I think I won't be buying anything. I have came to Thailand already few days. My mom and sister bought a lot of things, but me just that earphone that I bargained yesterday for 400. I keep on seeing these two figures. I don't know who they are, what they are exactly. They're like, I saw them everywhere, each market. Even they have nothing, but they still sell this. So I think it's hard to buy seaweed here. Why would I give this one? Especially this weird thing. This day ice, it was 40. I don't know, it is better than Malaysia maybe. The market is same as yesterday, but I think it's more bigger, most things still knock off. Just into the 7-Eleven. I have to eat breakfast in the morning. I guess taking this. And it's halal. I remember in Japan it wasn't halal. So yeah. So this is the last day in Thailand. You know how it feels going back and I have to go back studying. And here's my breakfast. Pretty spicy in the morning. Let's see what activities we can do today. This go-kart, and if I were to drive here, it will cost around 200 plus. And so I'll go to that track. So this track costs, I don't know. I'll put the price somewhere here. I'll say it's fun or not. So, but you'll see. Karting I did, and then the car went fast. Maybe the video clip showed slow, but it was really nice. My brother also enjoyed it. I think this was my first technically time going in a proper karting. To this mall, although we have to reach in airport by 5, we hope we don't spend too much. So at the DMK airport, it took us like 2 hours and I hope we don't miss our flight because we're pretty late. We didn't even check in yet, so yeah. Okay, just check in on the bus ticket, so I hope we don't miss. Unless we sleep, then yeah, obviously we're going to miss. But yeah, so I think I'll buy perfume, that's it. So I came to the perfume shop. I have 3 things I want. First one is the John Paul Gaultier and the YSL. So this one smells good. I'll list all the price here. So this doesn't smell bad, I guess. The first expensive perfume then got me into the addiction, but it was nice. So this is what I already have. So this one smells good. This is another one. The most popular one is this, but it smells too sweet for me. So this one smells perfect, warm, soft. Maybe I might buy this. The John Paul Gaultier. So it was initially 2,000, 3,000. So I bought this with 30% discount and it was cheaper than Malaysia. So yeah, it's a deal. Remember when I said we have to go back? Now we have to go back to the front. It's so annoying, but still I haven't hopped on the plane. So what do you think, Ifan?
I hate this airlines.
I nearly bought on the plane. So another 2 hours before reaching to Malaysia. So I guess this is it for the video. So the thing I noticed when I first landed to Thailand is I didn't notice much transgender people and the lady voice up. I don't know why I was expecting that. So how much I saw is even the same in Malaysia. So yeah, that's it. See ya.